Hey guys, this is Riley, and if you're wondering where I'm at today I'm at the student building and I am taking a bowling class with ESSF for non-credit. So if you're not aware, anyone can take a non-credit class here at the University of Utah. It's open to the public, and one of the great classes that you can take is bowling. Alright guys, it's here Riley again after taking this bowling class. Again, just right here in the Union, just through these doors right here. Learned a lot of things, got a backroom tour of how the pins come in. We learned about technique, just basic form. Learned about oils, and instructor Troy taught us that the most important thing is to not worry once you let the ball leave your hand. So you guys can take this class, highly recommend it. Again, use the link that's in the post, and that'll take you to where you can register. Hopefully you'll take this and you'll learn a lot as I did.